My tubers, I hope you're having a happy hair day. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick, easy lesson of how you shave your beard down to a 5 o'clock shadow, baby. Let's go. Hit it. So fellas, the 5 o'clock shadow is a nice, distinguished look. It's clean, but yet a little edgy. It's nice, but it also shows a little rough side. Ladies like that. It's a mature look, but it also gives you a baby face. So enough of the analogies, y'all get it. So let me show you how to cut your beard down to a 5 o'clock shadow. Okay guys, with the 5 o'clock shadow, you always want to use a clipper. If you use a trimmer, you're going to cut all your facial hair off unless you have a trimmer with the guard. Now they do have trimmers out there with guards, but I'm going to use a clipper because for me, it's easier. And the clipper that I'm going to use today is the Wahl Vapor Clipper. I have my #1 guard on there and my lever is all the way up. Now, if I want my 5 o'clock shadow lighter, I will move my lever down, but with how I want it to make it a nice 5 o'clock shadow, my lever is all the way up. And only thing I'm doing is I'm going to cut against the grain. Now on this side of my face, my facial hair, it grows up. So I'm going to go down because I want to go against the grain. And there you have it. But hold on. Some of y'all may be thinking, hey Garrett, that's not a 5 o'clock shadow. That's more of a 10 p.m. shadow. You're absolutely right for thinking that. For some people, this can be a 5 o'clock shadow. But with how I like to do my 5 o'clock shadow, I want to make it lighter, and you probably do too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the guard off. This guard, this is gone. You can put it away. I'm going to take my clipper. I'm going to move the lever all the way down, and I'm going to do the same thing and go against the grain. There you have it. Here's my 5 o'clock shadow. Now you know how to cut yours. I'll leave a link in the description for the clippers that I use. And let me know, how do you cut your 5 o'clock shadow? And if there's something else that you want me to talk about, leave a comment and I'll go ahead and do whatever video you want me to do for you. Man, I appreciate y'all for always watching and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Ciao.